So it's now time for ads. We're going to cover the ad creative framework. We're going to cover how to test on TikTok, how to test on Meta, how to use AI to repurpose ad creatives, and everything else that is relevant. But real quick, before we touch on that, I want to send you guys to the Ecom Mafia Discord. So currently, I am in the middle of revamping my entire community. So we have a full course in the Discord. There's over 70 videos. You get the pre-built theme, additional prompts. There's a community of other store owners. We have weekly calls. We do weekly product drops where if you're watching this video this far, I know you are serious. So the link to the Ecom Mafia is in the description below. But here's the thing. I filmed the course there 2 years ago. It's still relevant, but with that in mind, I'm in the middle of revamping it for 2026, and I am going to increase the price when the revamp happens. So currently it's $35 per month, but I'm hooking everyone up who watches this video with 20% off their first 3 months if you use code MAFIA20. So click the link in the description below. You've watched the video this far, you're clearly serious. It's time you had a community of other individuals with the same goal as you. And by committing to 3 months, you are giving yourself the highest edge to actually get some results with this business model. So links below, Mafia20, 20% off your first 3 months. Let's get on to ad creatives. So when it comes to ad creatives, all of my video ads follow a very simple framework. And we're going to discuss both video ads and image ads in today's video. It's a full encompassing overview, but all of my videos follow these same 5 steps. So it first starts with the hook. The hook is the very first thing the viewer sees. It's what all of their senses take in. It's both the visual, what they're looking at, the person, the environment, the text. It's what they're hearing, the audio, the text to speech. It's literally encompassing all of that at once. And with our ads, we want to call out the problem in the hook. So whatever problem our audience has, we want to point that out immediately within the first 2 seconds. From there, we want to introduce our product as the solution to whatever problem the customer had leading up until that point. So it's like call out problem, introduce product as solution, and then to get them more interested, we have point 3 here, we start hitting some benefits. So we start covering all of the reasons somebody should actually purchase this product. And I'm going to skip over step 4 here. I'm going to return back to that. But at the very end then, step 5, we have a call to action, which just reminds them to click the link below, the shop now button, the learn more button, to get navigated from the ad onto our website. And most of the ads I'm running, they're between 20 to 60 seconds in length. And don't stress, we won't need to make custom ads here, pay influencers. We have a copy paste method to test, which is part of our arbitrage method. But step 4 then is urgency social proof. And this is a bit more optional. Some ads won't even have this, but between the end, so the call to action, and between the benefits, so in the middle of those, some ads you'll see will show some social proof, so other people's results. Maybe it mentions the sale you have, limited units left in stock, maybe your guarantee, where it's just giving them a little more oomph, a little more confidence in what it is that you are selling. So guys, this is a bit of a gray area. But listen, we can easily test and validate our product with videos that are already out there. So I'm on the Meta ads library now. I'm going to change the filters back to their active ads. And for TikTok, listen guys, I would just download these videos and repurpose them for your ads. And I'm going to unmute my desktop audio. But if we play this ad here, I don't even think they mentioned the competitor's brand name. So if I was to use this as an ad, nobody would know it was for Herbie Pen unless it was Herbie Pen themselves. So let's check this out.
It took me 20 years to finally put down cigarettes. Tried to quit cold turkey several times. Never had any luck with it whatsoever. And my husband found this little product here on the TikTok shop. And we bought 2 of them just to see if they would actually help us. It is a little herbal diffuser and it has mullein mint and
Well, real quick too, you heard her just say she got the product from TikTok shop. So I would almost guarantee you this competitor Herbie Pen was just doing the arbitrage method themselves. They just took the product from TikTok shop, moved it to Meta. But this is why the method's beautiful. I'm going to do it back to them. I'm going to take their product and just move it onto my store. But notice they haven't actually mentioned a brand name yet. Let's continue listening.
thyme in it. The mullein will help clear your lungs of any junk that you have in it, and the thyme helps purify the air. Took 2 of these for me, and I'm cigarette free for 3 months. And if quitting smoking is on your agenda for 2025, I highly recommend this little product. And I know it's on a flash sale right now, just
Boom, calls it a little product. Now look, she's doing a little flash sale here.
so that here this week, and they're low on stock, so don't miss your chance.
Oh, low on stock. But let's play it back. So look, in the beginning, she's going to call out the problem, introduce the product as the solution, and then half the middle of this video was just her explaining the benefits. Let's play it back once more.
It took me 20 years to finally put down cigarettes.
20 years, put down cigarettes, problem. 2 seconds, exactly.
Tried to quit cold turkey several times. Never had any luck with it whatsoever. And my husband
Couldn't quit cold turkey.
found this little product here on the TikTok
My husband found this little product, solution.
shop, and we bought 2 of them just to see
Bought 2 of them, encouraging the customer to buy 2 or more, in line with the BOGO sale.
if they would actually help us. It is a
And then, it just talked about the benefits. And all the video ads here are the same format. I'll play one more for you guys, just so you get a gist.
when you've smoked for 20 years and you have tried just about everything, and you even tried quitting cold turkey a couple of
So boom, there's the problem. I guarantee you all the ads follow the same format. And given they're referencing TikTok Shop and they're running meta ads, I can almost guarantee you if we were to just search this product up over on TikTok Shop, we would find the same videos this person is using in their ads. So here's what I want to say with the arbitrage method. It works it works best when you take a product from one platform to another. So these videos here are video ads. Now, I'm going to be honest. I'm going to right click this video and save it. And if you can't save the video, remember that Chrome extension we downloaded earlier, the right click extension. We can now right click this video and just save it to our computer. And I have a few videos saved already here just from their ad library, but I saved 5 videos. And again, I don't even think this person made these videos themselves, So it's not like I'm infringing on a proper brand. What's most important, videos you're repurposing shouldn't have another brand's logo or watermark. And we're only using these videos to test. Once you test and get profits, then we can go get custom content after the fact. And I'll also add this, since this competitor is on Meta, I don't typically repost videos from Meta onto Meta, but I will move these videos from Meta onto TikTok, the arbitrage strategy. And last video, we did it reverse, where we went from TikTok over to Meta. Again, it's the same exact arbitrage strategy. So what I did is I downloaded 5 videos from here. I'm going to launch these over on TikTok. I'll show you the exact campaign. But for Meta, I'm going to launch with some image ads, some static ads, because we can see this competitor, like they have 2 images here. If I scroll down, they have some more images here, and images scale great on Meta. And as I mentioned, I don't like to take a competitor's videos from Meta and launch on Meta. It's better to move from one platform to another. Now, remember how I ripped their product images? Well, if they have image ads, you know what you can do? You guessed it, you can start to revamp them. So look, competitor's image ad, boom, I changed the product name, changed the offer, changed all the text and the colors. Now I got my own version. Another version, boom, they got the lunks here, easy, I'll launch my own. I changed the text, I have a different infographic, different name, different everything. Boom, I can launch that. Another example, this is a review photo. I flipped it horizontally. I can even change the colors more, change the packaging, but bottom line, the reviews are different, the text is different, the layout's different. The competitor can't flag these down. It's not their content, and I've done that for all of these. And I need to update this product here. It looks a bit like a vape on the left side. I can't run this as an ad. But my point is, listen, I have 3 images here. I'm going to launch all 3 of these images on Meta, and then I downloaded 5 videos. I'm going to launch those videos over on TikTok. So this is the overview of the testing campaign. We're going to do a $50 CBO, and it's the same for Meta and TikTok. We're going to have 1 ad group or ad set, and inside of here, you need at least 3 ad creatives. So if it's TikTok, 3 videos. If it's Meta, you need a mixture of videos and or photos. And optional, you can have up to 4 to 5. 3 is the bare minimum, 4 to 5 is the maximum. So here's the game plan. I'm going to show you how to launch TikTok ads. I'm going to show you how to launch Meta ads. And we're going to put our arbitrage strategy to the test to see how it pays off. There's a saying, it goes, good artist copy, great artist steal. And that's exactly what the arbitrage strategy is all about.